Ever turn on your PC and it takes forever to start? Like, you can make coffee, come back, and it's still booting? Yeah. Your SSD might be dying, and SSDs don't warn you, they just quit and take your files with them. So today I'll show you how to check your SSD health in under 2 minutes. No downloads, no apps. Slow startup, random freezes, apps crashing? Yeah, those are red flags. First, open start, type PowerShell and run as administrator. Type get-physical disk. Look for health status. Healthy, you're good. Warning or unhealthy. Backup now. Now for the pro check. Run this command. This shows temperature, errors, wear level, and how much life your SSD has left. Basically, it's medical report. Finally, scan and repair your drive. Type chkdsk/f/r. This fixes problems and recovers bad sectors automatically. Free repair. Gotta love it. And that's it. 3 commands, 2 minutes, total peace of mind. If this saved you from losing your files, hit like, drop your SSD health in the comments, and follow for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.